Our city and town infrastructures are becoming a high priority issue with specific attention placed on the high cost of repairs. One particular focus is in the miles of sewer pipelines that create a vast and complex network of underground utility service. While much of the system performs as originally designed, there are sections of this network that have become dysfunctional and hazardous to our environment and to our society. The junction between the main line and lateral pipes has been identified as the weakest point in a sewer system. Most problems here are caused by fractures, differential loading pressures, root intrusion, infiltration, and what is commonly known in the industry as hammer taps. Many of these junctions are structurally unsound. Millions of laterals with these types of problems demand attention. Until now, a reliable, trenchless, structural, watertight repair for this key component of the sewer system was unavailable. The Performanceliner T system allows for the reconstruction of the mainline section and the lateral pipe by installation of a one-piece T-liner. The alternative to costly traditional dig and replace restoration solutions is the proven new robotic non-disruptive T-liner by LMK Enterprises. To begin the process, we must inspect, document, then clean and prepare the damaged section of pipe. There is no joining of two separate liners required. The T-liner is inserted through the mainline pipe and no excavation is necessary. Once positioned at the junction, the mainline portion is inflated and the lateral liner is inverted up the old lateral. The result is a one-piece structural seal for the sewer system junction, a proven no-dig solution to one of the collection system's greatest rehabilitation challenges. The T-liner has been developed by LMK Enterprises, a leader in advanced pipeline restoration technology. A thermal setting resin is mixed on-site. A pre-measured amount is provided for each pipe repair according to its diameter, thickness, and length. The resin is then introduced into a liner bladder assembly and vacuum impregnated. Through visual inspection, thorough and uniform distribution of the resin is easily verified throughout the entire liner. The resin is then introduced into a liner bladder assembly and vacuum impregnated. Now, the lateral liner assembly is loaded into the T-launching device. Next, the mainline inflation bladder is affixed to the exterior of the T-launching device and securely banded at both ends. At this time, a set of wet-out trays are positioned on top of the T-launching device, providing a platform for the resin impregnation of the main liner. The main liner is impregnated with a thermosetting resin. Now that the liner is impregnated for the main pipe, the wet-out trays are removed and the main bladder is tightly secured to the exterior of the T-launching device. Ready for insertion, the lateral connection is marked and the installation device is carried to the manhole. The T-launcher is quickly connected to a positioning device, which is able to extend and retract 6 inches and rotate 360 degrees to facilitate positioning of the T-liner at the lateral main interface. The T-liner is introduced to the sewer pipe via the upstream or downstream manhole and pulled into place. Now positioned, air pressure is applied, inflating the main bladder, causing the liner to be firmly pressed against the interior of the host pipe. The lateral liner is extended out from within the center of the main liner, then extended up the old lateral pipe in lengths up to 60 feet by the inversion method. While the cure time is fully adjustable, normally the liner is cured within 2 hours at ambient temperatures. The unique launching and inversion process permits complete negotiation of multiple bends at any point in the service lateral and provides a seal at the mainline lateral connection. Following this, the inversion bladder is deflated, reverted into the launching device, and removed from the new one-piece T-liner. This is the completed structural repair and total restoration of a typical lateral to main junction. The mainline liner and lateral liner have been installed simultaneously as a one-piece T-liner. The T-liner provides a tough, smooth transition at the lateral main connection. The new liner's entry transition assures a high durability, 360-degree seal of consistent quality that is impervious to water penetration at the critical jointure of the lateral to the main. The T-liner's bond to the hose pipe on both sides of and through the connection assures optimal structural integrity and a permanent seal against future inflow infiltration. Failed seals, cracks, and breaks are cost-effectively repaired, while the T-liner installation is accomplished with a robotic system that deploys from a nearby manhole and interfaces with the existing lateral cleanout. Surface disruption is an absolute minimum, with no excavation required. LMK Enterprises is well regarded for technologies that address sectional and lateral line restoration. The LMK Enterprises T-liner introduces a reliable, field-tested solution for the lateral to main connection. T-liner, the collection system, connection system.